Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have accounts and an API key ready. Now you start the integration. First, connect the API key to your staging environment and verify a test call returns valid JSON. Once done, make sure to enable logging and set permissions for only required services. Next, deploy a minimal bot flow that handles your primary use case. Test it with 5 sample users and record response time. This quick loop gets you a working baseline to iterate fast. You now expand functionality by wiring intents to business logic. Begin by modeling dialogues with clear slot prompts and validation rules, then connect each intent to the corresponding backend API call. While you implement, add middleware for authentication and rate limiting so the bot scales safely. Monitor errors and retries. Also, build telemetry, events for success, failure, and user drop-off so you can debug flows. Gradually increase load, making sure the bot preserves conversational context and maintains you are ready to launch. Start with a canary release to a small segment and watch KPIs closely. If metrics degrade, flip the feature flag and roll back immediately, then replay failed sessions to identify the root cause. Make sure your monitoring alerts include authentication failures and third-party latency spikes. Those are the common culprits. Finally, communicate status to stakeholders and iterate on fixes if a problem persists. Isolate components and test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.